It seems like it might not hold up ever since but this roll of brown high-temperature tape, I've been wondering every day just how high a temperature it can actually withstand. So today, I got 2 of its good friends, a soldering iron and a heat gun, to run an actual test. First, let's test it with the soldering iron. I'll turn the iron up to its maximum temperature, which is 480摄氏度. Alright, it's basically reached the highest temperature. Now, let Susie solder to melt directly on it, and check the tape after being exposed to a temperature of around 480度C. The tape has deformed a bit but has broken. Next, let's bring out the heat gun. I'll also set its temperature to the maximum, which is 500摄氏度. Okay, now the heat gun is at 500摄氏度. It looks like it might not hold up. There's smoke coming from the high temperature tape, but surprisingly, it still has broken. Let's set some solder. The solder core can be melted directly by the hot air. Let's take a look. After being baked by the 500摄氏度 heat gun, the current state of this high-temperature tape is that it's not broken at all, only slightly curled. That's really impressive. Now using it for high-temperature protection will be completely problem-free.